Hey YouTube, it's Backman 2010. I'm going to be demonstrating our central vacuum system. Here in our house, in my parents' house, I live with my parents, but in our house we have 5 inlets. And here's one of the inlets. That's one inlet. The other inlet is in my parents' bedroom. That's the second one. The third inlet is right here in our breakfast room. And our fourth inlet is right here in the short hallway. And then finally our fifth inlet is upstairs, which I'm not going up there right now. And then right here in this closet, here's our 30-foot hose, which I will get that out. And this is our power head for the carpet. So I will get that out. That's the power head for the carpet. Here's our bare floor tool. The pole for it. The wand. And then here on the power head, here's our here's our upholstery tool, our dusting brush, and the crevice tool. And I'm getting ready to demonstrate our and you'll have to excuse our dog. She's afraid of the vacuum. There's Lucy. Hi, pretty girl. I love you. And that's Daisy in the study. She's hiding. Okay. And here's our 30-foot hose. And I will plug the hose in, show you how it runs. So I will set the camera down and I will go plug it in. And you also have to keep this cord plugged in to use the power head. I didn't realize it was on. Here's our power head. The headlight does not work. Here we go. Yeah, like I said, the headlight does not work. Here we go. I will show you our power unit, which is out here in our garage. Which is over here. Here's our power unit. It is a Astro vac, which is made by Vacuum Made. They're the same brand, made by the Lindsay Manufacturing Company. This is our Astro vac. And I do not have an outdoor hose to plug into to turn this thing on, so I will have to go inside my house. Leave my camera out here. I'll have to go inside my house and turn it on with the hose so you can hear what this sounds like. It's kind of loud, but it's really not that bad. And we do have one problem with it. The bearings in the motor are bad, and they told us last time when we had it serviced that it would it could go out anytime. So we don't know exactly when yet, but it hasn't yet, so it's still going strong. So I will put the camera down and I will go turn it on. And like I said, it's kind of loud, but it's really not that loud. Zoom my camera in a little bit. Be right back. And that is what our central vac sounds like out here in the garage. It's not that loud. I mean, it's a little loud, but at least it's not loud in the house. Anyway, that's our central vacuum system. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see any more videos with it, with me using that, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see what I can do and when I get the time to do it. Till next time, I'll see you later.